What's going on, guys? Getting my day started with my Sip Herbal. I don't drink coffee, so I found this amazing product. It's called Sip Herbal. It's a coffee replacement. Still gives me the same feeling as drinking coffee, but it's better for my health. Today is a holiday here in the United States, so not too much going on in the office today. I'm going to be working from home today. Going to be organizing some papers. Got a couple of calls I need to put out. So that's how I'm starting my day, making sure that I get my Sip Herbal. So I'm ready to go. And now it's time to organize. So I got all these receipts I need to put together. Got all of these notes, sticky notes, and that's what I'm doing. So a couple of hours later, you see everything is now organized.
Always talking about there's going to be a recession. There's going to be a recession. There's going to be a recession. That's what you're going to start telling yourself. Man, it's a recession. Man, it's a recession. I don't know about inflation. I don't know about...
So that was just a snippet of the Daily Genius. Now I'm talking to my daughter. Now doing some calls in the office and going to send out some emails today. So that's pretty much my day. What do you guys have going on today?